And a question I'm going to get asked is, does an Amazon developer need to have any form of CS degree? Is that a requirement at all?
A degree? No, I don't believe that a degree, I've ever seen a degree as a requirement. Well, let me take that back. No, it's either a degree or it's an experience, right?
Yes.
I've never seen a rec that's just said, we only take a degree.
Okay.
You either have the degree or you have the real world equivalent with the experience. The expectation is that you know similar stuff, though, right?
Sure.
In the sense that, for example, if you were applying for a robotics position, and you're applying not for an entry level, but for an industry higher level that you've been in a few years, you're going to have to know, robotics.
Yeah, sure, definitely. But can someone who has been learning on their own as a self-taught developer, are they still able and eligible to work at Amazon? Is that the case?
Yes.
Yeah.
I believe have one or two on my team that meet that qualification.
Excellent.
But it's a lot of self-discipline, right?
Sure.
Because what most people don't focus on when they're self-taught is the theory. And the theory is an important thing. Like, the execution is really important, but the theory is important because the theory is why you're executing. And if you can't understand why you're executing or how that execution is working, it's hard for you to pivot when something's not working, right? And so somebody self-taught can absolutely do it. You have to make sure that you're focusing on the theory as much as you are on the execution.
Sure. And I guess in some CS degrees and other degrees to do with software, the theory is something that you do get taught, hopefully. Yeah, but there are courses that focus on like the examples rather than the theory. So it could be just like a copy and paste type thing where you just, this is today we're going to build a login form. So you copy all this code, but you don't actually learn anything to do with session management or, security and all of this stuff. You've literally just copied.
Yeah.